Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 9X Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the dialer application, navigate to the Contacts tab, tap on the three dots and go to the Settings, where you will find Import Export option. And in here, you should see Import from SIM card option. Select it, and then it will give you basically every contact that is located on the SIM card. So check on the ones that you want to copy, leave the ones that you don't unchecked, and from there tap on Import, tap on the phone, and there we go. Contacts have been now imported. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.